Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your PlayStation 5 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, if you do have your PlayStation 5 controller turned on, indicated by the solid blue light right here, we need to completely turn off our controller, and we can do this by holding down the PlayStation button for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll notice the controller will turn off and there will be no light on the light bar. So once our controller completely turns off, what we can do is go to the share button right here and hold this down, and hold it down at the same time you hold down the PlayStation button. So let's hold down both these buttons, and you'll notice that the light bar on the controller will begin to blink blue, just like this, indicating that it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now you can go to your device and you can connect it via Bluetooth. So if you have your phone or your computer or maybe your tablet, go to the Bluetooth settings and start scanning for a device, and you'll notice your PlayStation controller will show up under that list. And you can even connect it to your PlayStation using this method. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.